Investigations, DCI has been granted permission by a Malindi court to exhume bodies believed to be buried in shallow graves at Kwa Binzaro area in Kilifi County. In the court directive, Resident Magistrate Irene Thamari instructed Chief Government Pathologist Dr. Johansen Oduor and the homicide unit of the DCI to lead the exhumation exercise. The operation will include postmortem examinations, DNA testing, and toxicological analysis aimed at establishing the exact causes of deaths. And as Francis Mtalaki now reports, a manslaughter case against controversial Pastor Paul Mackenzie and 94 others continued, with 2 prosecution witnesses testifying in Mombasa County.
A Malindi court allowed the exhumation of bodies believed to have been buried in shallow graves. Malindi resident Magistrate Irene Thamari instructed Chief Government Pathologist Dr. Johansen Oduor and the DCI to lead the exhumation exercise. The operation will include postmortem examination, DNA testing, and toxicological analysis aimed at establishing the exact causes of death. Prosecution counsel Judy Gachuru told the court that detectives suspect several bodies were murdered through starvation and suffocation in what appears to be a systematic pattern of radicalization and organized criminal activity. The Malindi Sub-County Public Health Officer has been tasked with enforcing health and safety protocols during the exercise and ensuring that exhumed bodies are preserved and stored at the Malindi Sub-County Hospital for forensic investigations. The homicide unit is planning on logistics and assembling a forensic team to carry out the exercise. In Mombasa, the manslaughter case against controversial Pastor Paul Mackenzie and 94 others continue with 2 prosecution witnesses testifying. The first witness, a 15-year-old, said he was weak for lack of food and water and was instructed to do so to hasten his journey to heaven. These messages were communicated during meetings held on Saturday. 53-year-old Andrew Bayacharo narrated how he met Paul Mackenzie in 2020 with about 10 men. Mackenzie claimed they were clearing the bush for farming deep inside Shakahola forest, and 2 years later, the witness claims Mackenzie and his team started encroaching the land. Later, reports emerge of people fasting to death in the area. The case is set to continue on Thursday in Mombasa. Francis Mtalaki, Citizen TV.
Prime Cabinet Secretary